Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. Wasima Constructions present you one of the best ways to become the owner of a beautiful villa by paying just the amount of a flat. So ladies and gentlemen, it's your choice to whether stay in a congested flat or buy an independent villa at the same price. If you are willing, then we are here to give you a 150 square yard area independent house with kids swimming pool, small waterfall or fountain, car parking, 2 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, 1 drawing room, 1 hall with all these specifications at an amount of 56 lakhs. You needn't have to pay the whole amount of 56 lakhs lump sum. In order to become the owner, you just have to pay an amount of 35 lakhs and then the remaining 5 installments can be paid later. Ladies and gentlemen, what are you waiting for? Start dialing this number 630-126-3538 to get more details and become the owner of an independent, beautiful villa. Thank you.